Welcome back, everyone. Previously, we learned Aleph, B, T, Th, Gim, Ha, Kha. So we are done with 7 letters out of 28 letters in Arabic language. In this video, we'll try to learn the next 4 letters. The first one will be Dal. The second one is Zal. Third one is Re. Last one is Zayn. Dal, Zal, Re, Zayn. Let's start learning these letters together. Dal, Dal, Dal. Pronounced as D in English. Dal, pronounced as D in English. The two words here are Dob. Dob means bear. Dob, Dal, Bih. You remember we talked Bih before? Dal, Bih, Dob. Dob. The second word is Deek. Deek. Deek means rooster. Dal, Ye, Kaf. Dal, Ye, Kaf. Deek. How you write Dal? In this way. Easy, right? It's very easy. Here. This is how we write Dal. Zal. 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 Pronounced as Z in English. Zal, pronounced as Z in English. Zal as in Zail. It's very close to English. Zail means tail. Zail means tail. Zail start with Zal, Ye, Lam. Zal, Ye, Lam. And Zaki. Zaki means smart. Like this boy is Zaki. Zal, Kaf, Ye. Zaki. How we write Zal? It's the same as we wrote down Dal, but the only difference here will be just a little dot on the top. This is Zal. Zal. This little dot on the top. So just to remind everyone, this is Dal and pronounced as D in English, and this is Zal, pronounced as Z in English. Re. Re. From its name, Re, pronounced as R in English. Re, pronounced as R in English. Re, as in regal. Regal means men. Re, Gim, Alif, Lam. Regal. Or Re as in regl. Regl. Regl means leg. Re, Gim, Lam. Regal, Regl. How we write Re? This way. It's more open than Dal or Zal. Re. Re. Re, pronounced as R. And that's how we write it down. This way. Zayn. Zayn. Zayn, pronounced as Z in English. Zayn as in Zarafa. Zayn as in Zarafa means giraffe. Zayn, re, remember re? We learned it before. Alif, fi, he. Or as in Zayt. Zayt means oil. Zayt, Zayn, ye, te. How we write Zayn. If you learn how to write re, Zayn will be very easy for you because it's technically like re with only one dot on the top. This is how you write Zayn, like re. And if you remember, guys, we said the re has more open angle, bigger angle than the del or zel. So Zayn is like re with dot on the top. This is how we write down Zayn.